So today we'll be talking about typography and colors in HTML and CSS. We will be doing a detailed explanation on it. So typography and colors are two foundational elements in web design that influence how you perceive and interact with a website. Typography focuses on the appearance and readability of a text, while colors establish visual hierarchy, mood, and branding. Together, these elements shape the overall aesthetic and usability of a web page. HTML provides the structure, and CSS offers the styling tools to control these aspects. So, typography refers to the art and technique of arranging type to make written language legible and readable, and visually appealing in a web design. It encompasses everything from font choices to spacing between characters and lines. HTML HTML's role in typography is to provide the structural foundation for the text content on a web page. It also allows the developers to define the purpose and importance of each text element through a semantic tag. For example, the heading could be used with the H1 to H6. These tags create a hierarchy text, with H1 typically representing the main title and the subsequent headings, making subcategories. Then you have things like paragraph, strong, list items, unordered list, ordered list. All of these are considered typography. So HTML ensures the logical organization of the text, while CSS enhances its representation. CSS is what CSS does is that it transforms the raw text defined in HTML into a polished and visually appealing format. It does that through a range of properties, like a font family. For example, you could use Arial, Times New Roman, or serif, sans serif, all of these. Then you have your font size, then the font weight, then the text alignment, which where you put your text and stuff, then your text transformation, your letters and word spacing. All of these shape your text or your website into a way to make it more visually appealing. As you can see here, this is a type of typography. This is a way to write the text. As you can see here, here you have more styles. So here you have sans serif, script, decorative, slab serif, modern. There are a lot of different ways to style, and you could and to make it easier, some developers have so that you don't have to keep on choosing yourself, or if you're new, you're not gonna have any experience in what the viewer would like to see. So there are a few websites to help you, like this one, for example. This is Fonts Google. Here you can see how different fonts will look like without having to do much. Here you can see, you write something, like my name is Philip or Ahmed, it doesn't really matter. Uh, there we go. And you can see how it would look like in different types of fonts, as you can see right here. So this is a really great style, and it will show you the thickness, like the boldness, which is also something you need, so that you don't always have to work by yourself, because if you're new, you won't have any experience, so you won't know which font to use. And Another example is, for example, this font generator right here. Here you can see how different fonts could look like, and you could, as you can see here, you can copy it and put it and use it. So there are a lot of websites. You just have to know what you're searching for or what you're looking for. So use these to build your web to make it look better. So now let's get into the second section, which is color and web design, and it serves multiple purposes. It draws attention, conveys emotion, and it communicates the brand or your identity. So HTML and CSS, they provide extensive tools for managing colors, from simple text used to complex gradient colors. HTML has limited capabilities for color appliances, and inline styles can set colors, but this is an approach that is outdated and discouraged. Modern practices rely on CSS to define and manage colors for consistency and maintainability. And so now we're going to be talking about gradient colors, and CSS gradient colors allow a smooth transition between colors, enhancing backgrounds and visual elements. So you could see that